everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a very special shopping haul video. So recently I got a chance to visit Jaipur again and I decided not to buy any clothes and jewelry item from there, but shopping to bante hai boss. So I bought handicraft item in a huge quantity from there and I'm going to show it all in this video. So before starting with the video, let me tell you that I bought all the stuff from Havamel Road, which is very famous for its handicraft items, and I'm going to display the prices of the item on the screen itself. So first thing which I bought is this pair of super cute puppet, and if you go to Rajasthan you have to buy them. I bought 5 pair of these and you can actually hang them on the entrance of your house and they look really nice. So these are the pair. I bought 5 of them. Second thing which I got are these super cute charpai or the mudas, you can say. These are the 2 which I got, and you can actually use them to put any kind of stuff in the kitchen, or you can use them on the dining table or anywhere you want. I bought them because I found them really very cute. So these are the 2 which I got. Next thing which I got for myself is these statues. Actually they were in a set of 5, but I got 2 of them because I thought 2 was enough for me. So these 2 I bought. They are really nice and they are really nice decorative pieces. You can actually put on the corner table or anywhere you want. So they look so nice wherever you want to put in the house. Actually you can keep them on these mudas also. They would look good like this. Next most amazing thing which I bought are these lanterns. See, these are super cute and a very nice decorative piece, and they have electric connection in them. I bought them with the bulb itself. They have provided me the bulb inside the lantern only. So they will look like this. Nice piece. I bought 4 of these small lanterns and 1 this big lantern. I'll show you this one also. Let me light it up. This looks like this. It has a very sturdy base, wooden base, and this is a very good piece of engraved glass. You can actually find very cheap quality also in this, which will have no engraved glass in them, but these are really nice. And another piece I bought is of this kind. This is a small. I bought these 4 and 1 this. Next thing which I got is these very beautiful jhoomers. They have this latkan in them which have elephants. You can hang them in the balcony or anywhere you want. These are very beautiful. And the shopkeeper suggested me to buy this latkan. See, so that you can actually attach them here and it will be like this, hanging on it. I bought 2 of these. I have not opened it yet, but I bought 2 of these. Another set of Jhumar which I bought is this beautiful one. It has beads in it and it has elephants hanging around. This is the one which I got. This also I bought 2 pieces. Another kind of latkan which I got is this. It has umbrellas and then something hanging over here and then an elephant. So these are also very beautiful. I bought a pair of this. One is this and another one I have not opened it yet. So beautiful latkan, as you can see. Another piece of latkan is this umbrella latkan. It is a very small latkan. You can actually put around the corners or anywhere you like. I bought a pair of this also. See. Another pair of latkan is this. I bought 5 of them, like 5 pair of these, which has different animals. Like it has camel in it, as you can see. Another one is this. It has it has peacock. Next one is this. It has elephant. This one has parrot and this one has a tortoise or a turtle in this. So I bought these and they come in pair and I found them really cheap, so I got them. So the next thing which I got is this dhal. It's a beautiful piece of dhal. I got a pair of this. See, and it comes with sword. You can actually hang them on your main gate of the house or the entrance of any room or anywhere. This is a beautiful set and it is, I think, in petal stuff it is. So it is a very good piece, decorative piece. Last thing which I got is this camel cart. See, beautiful piece. You can actually separate them. If you want to use them separately, you can actually use them like this, or you can use them like this also. You can put it on the dining table. You can put it in the corner anywhere in the house. It will look good anywhere. So the last thing which I got, or actually the shopkeeper gifted me, is this small camel. I have not opened it. This looks like this small camel. So that's it. This is the stuff, guys, which I got from Jaipur, and I'm so happy that I got them in the reasonable prices. And the only tip which I want to share with you guys is to bargain when you buy handicraft item from anywhere in India, because the shopkeepers quote much high prices and it is you who to decide how much you want to pay for the stuff you want to buy. So keep on bargaining, keep on shopping. So if you have liked this video, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, tata, bye bye.